In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to humanize AI-generated text. While Grammarly isn't specifically designed just for this purpose, it serves as an excellent tool to polish AI-written content, ensuring it reads more naturally and resonates better with your audience. Let's dive into the workflow you'll want to follow to achieve this transformation. To begin, paste your AI-generated draft into the Grammarly editor. Whether you're using the web version or the extension, Grammarly will automatically start running its checks. Pay close attention to areas like grammar, clarity, engagement, and tone. These elements are crucial for making your text sound more human and less robotic. Next, look to the sidebar for suggestions that can further enhance your content. You'll likely see prompts like improve clarity, change tone to friendly, or make the writing more engaging. These suggestions can help steer your text toward a voice that's more aligned with personal human communication. If you have access to Grammarly Premium, take advantage of the tone adjustment feature. You can set the tone to be more conversational or friendly, which is a significant step in shifting away from stiff or overly formal language. As you go through Grammarly's rewrite suggestions, don't just accept everything without consideration. Be selective and only pick the changes that preserve your unique voice and the intended meaning of your text. This step ensures that while the text becomes clearer and more engaging, it still stays true to what you want to convey. Once you've incorporated Grammarly's edits, it's time to add personal touches manually. One powerful method is to vary your sentence lengths, perhaps by following a short, punchy sentence with a longer one. Also, embrace contractions. Say we're instead of we are, and you'll rather than you will. This mimics authentic spoken language more closely. Infusing your personal voice can significantly enhance relatability. Use phrases like, "I've found that," or "Here's what surprised me," and don't shy away from including rhetorical questions or direct address such as, "Ever wondered why?" or "Here's how I fixed it." These elements engage the reader and invite them into a conversation rather than just a monologue. Consider using informal phrasing appropriately, depending on your audience. The goal is to ensure your content reads less like a textbook and more like it's coming from a real person. After making these adjustments, run one final check using Grammarly's suggestions for readability, tone, and engagement. This ensures the end result authentically reflects how you would naturally speak or write. If your plan includes Grammarly's AI Humanizer, you might want to explore this optional feature. It promises to rewrite AI-generated text to sound even more human-like, though be sure to review its output with a critical eye to ensure it matches your style. With these steps, you can transform AI-generated content into something that feels genuine and relatable, enhancing your communication's effectiveness and ensuring your message is well received.